Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust the screen brightness on your Aurafit Trek 1 smartwatch. This is the best display I've ever had on any smartwatch. It's an AMOLED display, especially at this price point. It's pretty crazy how nice the display is. I did want to show you guys, I've got it on the lowest brightness right now, and look how easy it is to see the screen. But if you want to adjust it, you can do it. I'll apologize in advance when I get it really bright. My camera does not zoom very well on it, but I'll try and show you guys. When you turn on your home button, you can swipe down from the top and you've got a quick access menu here that if you click on it, it will take you to your brightness. It's kind of a shortcut. Again, I've got it all the way dim. I can use the buttons to make it brighter or dimmer. Let's go all the way bright just so you can see it. Once you're done, you press the home button, it'll take you back. And again, that screen gets really bright. Now remember, the brighter the screen, the more battery life you're going to use. So that's one way you can do it. The other way you can do it is you can press the home button, get you to your get you to your main screen, swipe down, click this little gear icon over on the side, and the very first option under your menu is adjust brightness, and it basically takes you to that same exact spot that we saw before, and you can adjust your brightness back. Those are the two different ways to adjust your brightness. Again, great display on this watch. As always, I hope the video helped, shows you how to adjust the brightness on your Aurafit Trek 1 watch. Thanks for watching.